Hey, the guys at Key Battery Outlet sent me a couple samples of their key batteries. So these are good for key fobs, for remote controls to your garage, just about anything else. They've got various sizes, but the most common one I find is this CR2032 here. So this is a really good kit to get because you get two batteries with it, and you get a tool that you can use to open up your remote so you don't break anything. These remotes can be hard to crack open, but with this tool, it makes the job really easy. I'll do a quick demonstration for you on that. What we're going to do is peel this back. Got this little tool here. It's really cool that they provide that. On this particular remote control, I'm just going to use it in that little indentation there like this. I'm going to put it in there and twist, and look how easy that opens up. And then around this other edge here where it's catching, I'm going to just continue to feed that around, and then that thing pops right open, and I've got my battery exposed right here. So ever so easy. They give you the tool you need to open it up. They give you the right size batteries that you need to replace yours. It's just a win-win all around. Super easy to do and great quality for these batteries. So definitely pick up your replacement key fob batteries and your garage remote control batteries from Key Battery Outlet. They make a really good product. Super handy when they give you the tool that you need. Hope that helps. Have a great day.